Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Surya Techno Gyan, and you are new a space to learn and speak English with confidence. I am Shankar Adav, and I have started this channel because I know how challenging it can feel to speak English fluently, especially when you already know some words, but when you want to talk, you are stuck in conversation. So I have been there too, and I want to make learning simple, practical, and fun. On this channel, you will get short videos, short lessons, and easy tips, real life examples, and speaking practical activities that will help you improve day by day. That will help you improve day by day, whether you are a student, a professional, or you are just learning for ourselves. We have got something for you. So if you want to speak English more confidently, subscribe now and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Thank you.